welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we're back with a proper old school haul. So by the time you see this, a couple of weeks ago, I went with the charity shop gift card to Shelter in King's Cross with a couple of other content creators to film some content for the charity shop gift card to kind of announce the Shelter partnership. So on that day, I was gifted a £40 charity shop gift card along with the other girls too, and we all made some very, very nice purchases. So I thought I would show you what I picked up. Some of this stuff you've probably already seen. There's one thing I don't think I have shown yet though, so you can see that here, and I'm going to try on all the pieces, tell you all the details, but first off I just want to say a massive thank you to Charity Shop Gift Card for all the continued support kind of throughout the whole time they've been open, same as me. I literally love working with you all. Hannah, you're amazing, and yeah, all the other girls who were there, Amy, Penny, it was just the loveliest day, and I feel like I've just been in the best mood ever since. It makes me so happy to actually meet people that I chat to online, and also just kind of see this community in real life, and it was just a lovely day of people with very similar interests just hanging around and shopping, and it was just literally the best day ever, and I enjoyed myself so much, and that's all down to the people at Charity Shop Gift Card, so thank you so much. But without further ado, let's get into the haul. And the first thing I noticed when I walked in was these earrings. So these were £5. As I said, I did buy these with my gift card. And they're these gorgeous like door knocker style earrings. I have never seen anything like these before. The good thing about these is they're super lightweight, so I don't feel like they're kind of pulling on my ear too much. And oh my gosh, perfect. Just with like an all actually green outfit, which you'll see in a moment. These look amazing. Equally, I feel like with a black outfit, like a little black dress, oh my gosh, they would look absolutely stunning. These were £5. The shelter we were in was a boutique shelter, so I definitely noticed the prices were a little bit more expensive than what you'd pay kind of in my local charity shops, but of course you've got to remember as well that we were in London, so again the prices are obviously a little bit different, but oh my gosh, these are absolutely stunning, and I'm really glad I picked these up. The next thing, another jewellery thing, this necklace was £10, which again is a little bit more expensive. However, this was originally from the V&A, and it's just this gorgeous kind of little necklace with this chain, and it's got this lovely kind of red beading on the bottom. Now, I've got some earrings from the Craft Corner, which were gifted, and I absolutely love them. They're kind of similar design to this. These are also Craft Corner, with sort of the little tiny hoop this size with 3 kind of red beads, and oh my gosh, they'd go absolutely perfectly with this. And I just thought this necklace is perfect if you're wearing kind of a plain black outfit. I feel like these would be a really nice kind of thing to top on top, just kind of look a bit more put together. I think with the my fake Burberry coat, this will look amazing as well, because again the red will kind of pull in at the red from the coat. And I just feel like a bit of jewellery, as I always say, jewellery, bags, shoes, they definitely pull together any outfit for me. And this necklace is the exact same. I just think it'd be gorgeous and will really kind of top any outfit that I choose to pair it with. The next thing I picked up, I just want to talk about sizes for a second, because both pieces of clothing I ended up buying were completely different from the sizes I would normally wear. So for those of you who are new here, I normally wear around a size 16, which normally is kind of an XL, large XL, kind of that sort of size. This dress is from Zara originally and is a size small. Now, if you've ever shopped in Zara or shopped in Zara via secondhand means, you will know that Zara sizes tend to be really super teeny tiny. This dress is a size small. A size small, and it's big on me. I had to wear a belt with this to kind of make it look nice. So this is originally Zara, size small. This was £15, and this is such a gorgeous dress because it's so kind of transitional. You could wear this in so many different seasons. So it's kind of this knitted fabric midi dress. It's got buttons all the way down at the front. It is the tiniest bit see-through, but we're kind of with your chub rub shorts on underneath, which I wear anyway, and kind of nude underwear, you'd be absolutely fine. I must admit, I was walking around London with black underwear underneath this, and I don't think you could notice. It was only when I filmed a reel for the Undone Mums challenge, which will all be live on Instagram now, I could see kind of facing in front of like quite a bright light that you could kind of see it was a little bit see-through. But anyway, I say this is £15. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. A lovely transitional dress. It's very, very lightweight, even though it's knit, which is why I love it for kind of transitional periods, where it is kind of the not super, super tight knit. It means you do kind of get air through all of these little holes, but equally you could lay out on top of this, under it, and make such a lovely kind of autumn outfit, as well as wearing it kind of in spring and kind of towards the end of summer. I think this is super gorgeous, and I'm obsessed with this kind of sagey colour. I just think it's absolutely beautiful, and I really think green is my colour. So that is this dress. So here is the Zara dress. Now, as you can see, this is like quite baggy, and this is the thing that just boggles my brain because, as I said, I normally wear like an XL, and if someone who normally wears a Zara size small put this on, it would be really big on them. And I know it's probably meant to be kind of that oversized floaty look, but that is just ridiculous. But the way I would style this is with this belt. This belt I just got when I was on holiday, and I just think it just pulls kind of into the waist, and it just gives me a little bit more shape, and I just think that's how I would personally wear it. I did actually try just tying it with a hairband at the back, and that equally looks cute, but I feel like it just gives me a little bit of shape. As I said, I would wear kind of nude underwear underneath this, and probably like some little shorts underneath, just as it does go a little bit see-through in kind of bright light. But I think this is a really pretty kind of everyday dress. Also, I feel like this might be a good option to take on holiday with me, which, to be honest, by the time this video goes up, as I'm pre-filming kind of a while in advance, because it's 2nd September, I'm kind of super ahead of schedule. I'm not sure if you would have seen my pack for Rome's yet, because I am going on holiday and I am going to film kind of a pack with me, as I always do. So this might be coming to Rome with me, because I feel like it is kind of a good Rome dress, so I could easily chuck on kind of a neutral jacket over this, and it would look pretty cute. But anyway, I absolutely love this dress, and I'm really glad I picked it up. And then finally, leading on from the green again, this dress was £12, and again, this dress is a size medium. This one doesn't actually have a tag, so it would have been one they've just guessed, which, let's be real, we all guess wrong when we're trying to guess sizes. But this dress, as I said, it said it was a medium, and as it was a satin fabric, I was like, this is probably the riskiest thing to try and try on when it's not your size. But oh my gosh, I'm so glad I did a gamble on this and tried it on, because this is going to be one of my new favourite dresses. It is this gorgeous kind of emerald green colour. It's a beautiful satin fabric. The straps are kind of a crossy over, and I'm not going to lie, it took us a while to work out how you do them. And I actually think in the photos, I was like, when I wore this in London, I did not get it right. My mum actually managed to tie it today in a way that I think actually is how you wear it. Anyway, whatever way you wear it, it is absolutely gorgeous. It's a midi length. As I said, this was £12, but I just think this is absolutely gorgeous. And this, paired with the door knocker earrings, is just the most gorgeous glam luxury look. And I just absolutely love this. I'm thinking for Christmas parties. I'm just obsessed. I mean, I very rarely wear a really, really nice dress, but I definitely am going to be wearing this somewhere that it is far too fancy to be wearing it, because I just, it's absolutely gorgeous, and I never go anywhere that's super fancy, so I'm just gonna have to wear this somewhere that's casual and just stand out, because it's absolutely gorgeous and I love it. So that was the final thing I picked up, is the green dress. I must admit, I put this on myself with no help, so I have definitely not got these straps on right. However, I do think this is more how they're meant to be. I just need to tighten them anyway. And also, I'm just wearing a normal bra. Obviously I wear a strapless bra with this, but can we just take a moment to appreciate how fabulous this dress is? It doesn't have any tags, so I have no idea where it was from originally. I also have paired the door knocker earrings with this. This is what I actually wore in the shoot, and I just think this is gorgeous. In the shoot as well, I wore some gold heels. I don't actually have any gold heels, but I have gold sandals I could pair with it for a little flat alternative. But this is a main character dress. It may be my birthday dress, I'm not sure. I just think it's stunning. Pointers. Obviously, I'd have to wear a strapless bra with this. I would also wear some kind of seamless knickers, maybe some shapewear to make me feel a little bit more confident if I wear it, depending on what day it is, how bloated I'm feeling. But this is a cute dress, Christmas dress, birthday dress, I'm not sure, but I'm definitely gonna have to get wear out of this because it's absolutely stunning. Again, I just want to say a massive thank you to the Charity Shop gift card for all of these lovely goodies, and just for continued support throughout. I'm so excited for future projects. Hopefully I'll get to do with you guys. But that is the end of today's haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment what your favourite item was down below, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!